Hello, kids! Welcome back to Mom and Daughter's Creations. In today's video, we will be learning about parts of a circle. Look around you. Look around your city. What shapes do you see? There are many things you can see like vehicles, traffic signs, roads, boards, and many more. We can identify triangles, rectangles, circles, and many more. Now let's talk about a circle. Circle is a 2D or a two-dimensional shape, with all the points equidistant from the center. Look at your bicycle. The wheels of it are circular. Now let's see the parts of a circle. First, diameter. Diameter is a line segment that passes through the center and connects the 2 points of a circle. Second, radius. Radius is a line that connects a point of a circle. Fun fact to notice is that if you join 2 radii, you will get 1 diameter. This means that diameter is twice of radius, or radius is half of diameter. Third, circumference. Circumference is the boundary of the circle, or the distance around the circle. Now look at circular objects around you. Draw its diameter, radius, and circumference. Imagine a city without no circles. It would be horrible, isn't it? There would be no clocks to keep track of time, no wheels on which vehicles will run, no circular pizza. Comment your answer of the question on the screen in the comments. That's it for today's video, kids. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.